am Rakesh Mehta, Chartered Accountant from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have pleasure to share my devoted experience of urine therapy, divinely known as Swambu. Before starting my speech on urine therapy, I will like to say all of you that if your thinking is positive, definitely you will be capable to beat your disease. Suppose one is suffering from cancer and taking treatment from urine therapy, but his thinking is not positive. Urine therapy will not help him for right treatment because urine therapy itself not a magic. उसको आपकी पॉजिटिव थॉट्स और ट्रस्ट चाहिए. पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग में इतनी ताकत होती है कि वह बिना ट्रीटमेंट के भी हमारी बीमारी का उपचार कर सकती है. इफ वी हैव इंटेंस फेथ इन एनी ट्रीटमेंट, वेदर इट्स एलोपैथी, वेदर इट्स होम्योपैथी, आयुर्वेद, cow urine, self urine therapy, because our faith, our intense faith will give us millions of miracles. हमारी प्रबल आस्था कमाल करती है. I love urine therapy very much and I treat it as my family member. मैं यहाँ तक कहना चाहूँगा कि यदि कोई लड़की सुंदर दिखना चाहती है तो urine therapy is the best option to her and it will be best gift to her husband. I strongly feel that urine therapy is one of the best treatment for any kind of disease. The reason for this strong belief is my own journey of fighting cancer, where I proved that urine therapy is one of the best God-gifted treatment involving no cost. In 2013, I was diagnosed with high-grade tumor, intermediate grade in 2015 and low grade in 2019. For this downgrading intensity of the tumor, all credit goes to the urine therapy, followed by urine massage, urine fast, yoga, exercise, and of course meditation and hygienic food. It has not only helped me to fight cancer but also improved my physical fitness. That's why I get compliment for looking 10 to 15 years younger on social media in view of my energy and determination which I have dedicated to urine therapy. Now I can feel that integration of willpower, physical fitness and of course urine therapy shall make us capable to cure any kind of serious disease including cancer. At the end of the closure of my address, I would like to say that डर से बाहर निकलें, get rid from the fear, be physically and mentally fit and of course make faith in God. All these things will make your life very interesting, very beautiful and very charming.
Hello everyone. Life is a very different interesting parameters. With every hardships, one becomes more stronger, noble and greater human being. It was very shocking for me when I came to know about Rakesh sir's cancer disease. The person who has given everything for students' career, to inculcate better concepts, to always nurture them with the moral ethics and values. How such disease can struck to such a person. But at the same time, it was a great relief for us when we came to know about that. He is very fine after 2 consecutive operations and even fitter than before. Cancer is a disease which takes a lot to check person's faith, inner strength and has a lot to do with the good deeds. So keep doing good deeds. You never know when you are gonna get payback for those all. Thank you.
I heard that Rakesh sir is suffering from cancer disease. It was very shocking news for me. The person who made our future brighter and his contribution towards making us CA is unforgettable. He is honest, hard worker and expert in his subject. He is always eager to help us. It was unbelievable that how God can take his exams. When I heard that he is cured from such disease and now he is more active, energetic and healthy, I was very happy. I believe that he is recovered only due to his good deeds. Thank you Rakesh ji for your support.
निसंदेह कैंसर एक बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, लेकिन उसका मनोविज्ञान अक्सर जानलेवा साबित होता है। यदि आप मानसिक रूप से मजबूत हैं तो कैंसर की कोई भी स्टेज हो आप उसे हरा सकते हैं। बस जीने की तमन्ना चाहिए, या यूं कहें जीने का जज्बा और जुनून। मैं उन लोगों से सविनय निवेदन करता हूं जो धूम्रपान के आदी हैं, प्लीज़ वो धूम्रपान छोड़ें, क्योंकि धूम्रपान न केवल उनके शरीर को नुकसान पहुंचाता है बल्कि उनके परिवार को भी तहस-नहस करता है।
At the end, I will like to say that urine therapy can also be useful for COVID-19, and I will request all of you to consume your first urine in the morning to get your life free from disease. I am very grateful to Rakshak Mansa Lodha from Jodhpur, Sri Jagdish Gurani from Bangalore, and Madan ji from Chennai, who inspired me to opt urine therapy in 2013 and all helped me to get out from depression in 2013. My special thanks to Rakshak Mansa Lodha for special care